Your smart interactive display, powered by IQ, provides a powerful suite of built-in activities, apps, and more to engage your students directly at your display or on student devices. With features such as the interactive whiteboard, customizable widgets and manipulatives, and ready-made graphic organizers, you have everything you need at your fingertips to build a lesson or station. With these features, you will be able to engage your students quickly and easily. Use each feature on your smart interactive display individually or combine them to create one powerful active learning experience for your students. Change the background of the whiteboard to handwriting paper, add in customizable dice widgets, and create a math or language station for your students to work collaboratively. Or launch the whiteboard app, add in a YouTube video, import a PDF, and choose a customizable graphic organizer for your students to reflect on their learning. The possibilities are endless. With a library of built-in manipulatives, you are able to create stations at your smart interactive display or deliver them to your students' devices with collaborative workspaces. With collaborative workspaces, encouraging your students to work together is easier than ever. The built-in graphic organizers on your display can be used for a variety of activities, both collaboratively or individually. With the ability to import PDFs into the whiteboard, you can combine a short reading passage with a graphic organizer to better engage your students. The widget library on your display allows for easy customization to suit your needs. Rename your customized widget and save it in the widget library for quick access and repeated use. The engagement features of your smart interactive display, powered by IQ, provide you plenty of opportunities for student engagement on their own. When combined, these active learning tools provide your students ample opportunity to work collaboratively and demonstrate their learning. Explore the Getting Started in 5 Steps resources to learn more about all of the exciting features of your smart interactive display powered by IQ.